Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I'm here to unbox the July 2025 Beauty Heroes box. I am just about to go to bed. It's like 9:36 to be precise on Wednesday, and I really wanted to unbox this before I wound down for the night and stuff. So just wearing one of my little comfy shorts and have my hair up and stuff. So you're getting the natural version. It's 9 days into July and I haven't unboxed it yet. Just received it in the past few days, after 4th of July, I think. Anyways, I did see a spoiler, unfortunately, that it is Oil Lab, and my initial reaction is like, because I think I've received maybe 2 boxes from Oil Lab over the past few years, and I don't think I've really liked either of them. I think a few of them were serums, and like one was like Aquasphere, one was something else, and then there was a toner that I didn't really like, and then there was another serum, like a glow one that I haven't explored very much. It is part of my project pan, but I've only used like once every 2 months or something for right now, other than the month I received it. And I don't remember being like that impressed by it in my first kind of initial impressions. So I haven't really liked any of their stuff so far, but maybe this will be the one. I kind of hope it's not a serum or a toner. I'm hoping it's cleanser would actually be fun. So let's open it up and see. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you're going to enjoy it, if you find it helpful, click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted from when the next video comes out. All right, yes, it is Oil Lab. Okay. All right, I'm not even gonna look at the insert yet. I wanna see the packaging. Looks so fun and colorful, so that's cool. Their bottles are black and kind of plain, I guess I would say. So their colorful, their box is very cool. I do see a serum in there, but I do see a cleansing facial milk and moisture mask. So that's cool. All right, so we got 2 products, and then there's a longevity facial serum. So these are the 2. Very pretty. And also I got my nails done fairly recently. Nice, bright, fun orange for the summer. They make me happy. All right, so let's talk about the box here. Right, it is $150 value, and Intracellular Longevity Facial Serum and the Omega Cleansing Facial Milk and Moisture Mask. It says, at the intersection of advanced science and conscious formulation, Oil Lab is redefining what modern skincare can be. Based in Poland and guided by a deep commitment to research, this pioneering brand develops each product in its own laboratory, where a team of certified chemists formulates with precision, fusing high-performance botanical ingredients with clinically validated actives. With an uncompromising approach to efficacy, transparency, and design, Oil Lab has quickly become one of the most compelling forces in green beauty today. This month, we bring you an exclusive discovery featuring Oil Lab's latest innovation, Intracellular Longevity Serum, alongside their multitasking Omega Cleansing Milk and Mask for a leading-edge skincare ritual. One thing I think is interesting is last month in June was Laurel skincare, and they're all about like slow beauty, like small batch and like straight from the plants, etc. And I think it's interesting because this Oil Lab, and sometimes I've been surprised that they like jive with Beauty Heroes ethics and like preferences, because seems like it's all lab formulated, whereas Laurel seems to represent what Beauty Heroes is all about, like small batch, slow, like not lab created and that kind of stuff. So, but I don't know, that's just kind of my interpretation. Okay, let's talk about the Intracellular Longevity Facial Serum. Again, that's the fun box. It is 50 milliliters, $80 value. A first of its kind formula designed to support skin's natural renewal process and visibly soften the signs of aging. Its ultra light, milky texture sinks in effortlessly, delivering a complex of biotech actives that nourish, replenish, and visibly restore. Powered by Rejuvenad, which is trademarked, an organic sunflower sprout extract that mimics the benefits of NAD, which I don't know what that is. And paired with vegan algae collagen, pomegranate stem cells, and I thought it said spermicide. Spermidine. This serum visibly firms, smooths, and fortifies the skin over time. Ozonated omega esters bring added protection and radiance. Suitable for all skin types, including around the eyes, the serum is clinical grade skincare in a whisper light form. So 4 featured ingredients are Rejuvenat, the trademark, advanced botanical extract that mimics NAD to support renewal. I'm like, did I miss what NAD is? Apparently not. Pomegranate stem cells, antioxidant rich and known to improve the appearance of tone and firmness. Spermidine, vegan polyamine that supports healthy skin longevity. Ozonated omega-3, 6, 9 esters. Moisturizing and protective, helps strengthen the skin barrier. It's all so sciencey, I get overwhelmed. Do you guys throw away these? I think I asked before, but I have like a collection of these little toppers now, and I don't know if I should just throw them all away or put them back on the products. Anyways, this is what the bottle looks like. I think all their different products have like a different color ink, like text on them. That's what that looks like. I remember their serums have always seemed to be unscented, which is not my favorite. I would like if this had a scent. Okay. So this is what the consistency looks like. How did they describe it? Ultra light, milky texture. Yeah, I think I agree with that. It's a nice texture. It's like, so you can see it's not like drippy. It's not thin. I think some of their serums have been kind of like, I don't know, like just clear, and it was not watery, but thin, I guess. I don't love the smell. You know what? It kind of smells like cucumber to me. I don't love the smell of cucumber. I like cucumber with like ranch and salads and stuff, but it kind of reminds me of the smell of cucumber. Yeah, it smells like cucumber. That's interesting. I wonder if other people thought that. So I had put 2 pumps, and it's like really moisture. I don't know how much you can see, but I'm really trying to get it to blend in there, or sink in rather. Yeah, it's kind of hard to, I put a lot, so maybe it was just way too, I did 2 pumps for my hand, and as you can see, it makes my skin look horrible, but it's really just that it's not, I can't like get it to fully moisturize into that one area. I think it'll go in fine. Yeah, anyways, I'll be interested to see when it's like on my face, like right near my nose, with the smell. So it moisturized in. It feels nice. My hand feels nice and smooth and stuff. So hey, maybe it'll feel really good on the skin. All right, so that's the Intracellular Longevity Facial Serum. And our other product is the Omega Cleansing Facial Milk and Moisturizing Moisture Mask. I did say that would be cool if they had a cleanser, and they do. So my wish has been granted. 200 milliliter, it looks huge, for $70. Obviously, I know that products are different prices because of their ingredients, but it's funny how this one is 80, smaller one, and this big one is 70. All right. This versatile cleanser meets mask is a textural dream. Creamy, pillowy, and clinically proven to hydrate, soften, and support skin barrier function. The formula merges potent botanicals with cutting-edge biotech, like ectoine, an ingredient derived via fermentation that defends against environmental stressors and soothes skin. Ozonated omega esters, which we saw in the last one, they said they bring added protection and radiance in the previous. And plant oils condition and rebalance, while gentle cleansing agents like hydrolyzed pea proteins purify without stripping. Used as a quick cleanse or left on longer as a mask, this fragrance-free formula leaves skin calm, resilient, and comfortably clean. So it has ectoine, a fermented molecule that hydrates and protects. Milk thistle seed esters, rich in antioxidants, helps calm and nourish. Allan, blackia, and cherry kernel oils, conditioning botanicals from moisture and softness, never heard of those. And hydrolyzed pea proteins, gentle cleansing surfactant that supports skin elasticity. All right, so this is our cleansing facial milk and moisture mask. And I was wrong. I thought, oh, maybe, I think these are the same text color, but maybe one is a little bit lighter. it would be hard to see probably. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Maybe they're different colors. Oh no, I think they're different colors. I don't know, can you tell? I think they are. I think one's more blue, this one. I think this one's a little bit lighter blue, like more like seafoam or something. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, it's locked. I'm gonna just put like a pump or so, because, oh, there we go. Because it's a cleansing milk or a mask. So it's not really runny, as you can see. Unscented, as they said. You know, I can't really get it like sudsed up or anything. I kind of got like a little, I thought I got like a little mild like coconut smell, but I don't know. Anyway, it's super subtle, or like they say, unscented, so. But I did get a little of like the natural smell, I think, from the natural ingredients, but that's kind of the gist of it. I can't really do much more with this to tell you. It feels smooth on the skin. I'll have to add a little water to my hand after this video and kind of see what it feels like. And I'll definitely try it as a cleanser. I'll try it as a mask. It didn't really say, it just says left on longer as a mask. Sometimes I like them to tell me how long to leave it on. Ah, there we go. English. Okay. Apply a generous layer 2 to 3 times a week and leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. That's the mask directions. To boost moisture, soothe, and nourish the skin. Remove any excess and follow your skincare routine. Okay, so you can just wash your face with it, or you can apply it as a mask for 15 to 30 minutes. Great. So I will try it both ways. I'll try it as a cleanser. I'll try it as a mask. Okay, so that is the 2 products for July. I'm excited to try them. Like I said, I'm not too jazzed up about the brand, but I always love trying new products, so I am excited to try them. Yeah, I definitely would love to chat with you below about this brand, your thoughts on this box. And I know I haven't been doing the follow-up videos at the end of the month for the last few months about my thoughts on some of the products. I want to do, maybe I can try to do it. I'll have to look to see how many months it's been since I've done a like end of the month video, like my thoughts on a box. And I think what I'll do is I'll gather them and do like my reflection the last like 3 months or 4 months of boxes, how many months it's been. I think it's probably, if I had to guess, like we moved the end of April, so it's probably, could be March, April, May, June, July. It could be 5 months at most, I think. So that would be a lot. I'll have to look after when I finish this video, or after I finish filming. I also was thinking I have to do an empties video. I have a lot of empties. And I also want to do like the retrospective video where I look at a year of my Beauty Heroes boxes and talk about the products and everything. I think those are so fun to do. They're a lot of work, but I love them. I'm still trying to find a good balance since we've moved. I feel like I have a lot less time to do things like this, and I'm trying to figure out why that is, because it's not like our lifestyle has changed that much. And I feel like the unpacking and getting settled has slowed down. Like we still have some boxes in the basement, but I'm not like consumed by unpacking. So I don't know what it is. Seems like the kids have been up later. I don't know. I just have to figure out it, but I'm not fully back on my old routine. I would like to get to the point where, you know, the kids were like in bed or sleeping by like 8 or something, and that I had, you know, an hour or 2 free time. But I will say I did have a little extra time this afternoon to organize some of my beauty products. And like, what did I do? I had all, I'll show you if I can reach right here. I was trying to make a list on my phone of the Beauty Heroes boxes from like 2025 and 2024. So I went through all my little Beauty Heroes like things. I've kept all these. So I have like 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. So I like organized them all and like rubber banded them and stuff, just because they were kind of a mess in the drawer. So that made me feel good, because that was like a little time with my beauty stuff. And I did, because I'm trying to organize some of my beauty products that are not part of my project pan and find a place for them, or like a special basket or something of all the boxes products that have come since I decided what was in my project pan. So it's probably everything that's come from January 2025. So I need like a little housing area for them because they're not part of my project pan, but I still like to dabble with them stuff. So anyways, that's my explanation. I'm babbling now and I should be getting ready for bed, but I did like chatting about this. So videos we're gonna look forward to are an empties video, a year reflection on Beauty Heroes boxes. I have to see when my last one was. I think it's probably been a year already. And then a culmination video of like what I've thought of the last X number of boxes that I haven't put out a review on. So again, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. And please do chat with me in the comments below if you would like to. I love chatting with you guys. I love reading your comments, and I love to have dialogue with you guys about this stuff because I don't have anyone in my personal life that's like into beauty products, or I don't know anyone else in person in my real life that gets these Beauty Hero boxes. So you guys are my outlet for that. So thank you for the comments you leave. I hope everyone is having a great July and had a happy 4th, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.